In today's class, all of you are most welcome. What was taught yesterday, the rest of the parts of this chapter will be started today. So now, situation number 4. When the given sentence is based upon present perfect continuous. Sita said, I have been teaching for 5 years. That will change into past perfect continuous tense. Sita said that she had been teaching for 5 years. When the given sentence is based upon simple past. Sita said, I wrote a letter. That will change into past perfect. Sita said that she had written a letter. Sixth one. When the given sentence is based upon past continuous. Sita said, I was writing a letter. That will change into past perfect continuous tense. Sita said that she had been writing a letter. When the given sentence is based upon past perfect, Sita said, I had written a letter. The past perfect will change into past perfect, means there won't be any change. That will be the same. Sita said that she had written a letter. In the same way, when the given sentence in direct speech is based upon past perfect continuous tense, such as Sita said, I had been teaching for 5 years, that will be unchanged, means there won't be any change, and Sita said that she had been teaching for 5 years. There is an exception if the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is either in universal truth or in general truth. There will be no change in the verb form of the sentence of the reported speech, such as our teacher said water is colorless. Our teacher said that water is colorless means this verb is will not change. In the same way, second one, he said sugar tastes sweet. This is also general truth, everybody knows. So, he said that sugar tastes sweet. Now, here are some helping verbs which change their forms when the reporting verb is in past tense, such as am is, these two will change into was, are will change into were, had have into had, do does into did, had into had, did into had plus V3, was were plus had will change into had been, shall or will change into either should or would, and may or can will change into either might or could. For other models will be no change, means there won't be any change if except these any other model is used in the reported speech when the reporting verb is in past tense. Here are some examples. He said, I had a car. He said that he had a car. Second one. He said, it may rain today. He said that it might rain that day. Mohan said, I can do this work. Mohan said that he could do that work. Sita said, I will buy the flat. Sita said that she would buy the flat. He said, I shall go there. He said that he should go there. Sita said, I must convince him. Sita said that she must convince him. Students, I hope that all of you must have understood whatever you have been taught today, and the rest of the parts of this chapter will be taught tomorrow.